Good morning, students. Today we are discussing another topic in the soft skills, that is in the chapter 5. So the second topic is attitude. What do you mean by attitude? We generally say that attitude means our personality or our behavior. So our behavior can be divided into two types, or you can say it's two categories. Either it is a good or it's a bad. So the behavior which we generally accepted by the others is called a positive, or it can be a good behavior. And the behavior which is not accepted by the others, that is maybe called as a bad behavior. So the attitudes are mainly depends upon our moods and our feelings. So the famous psychologist, that is, they quoted a different quotations they had given. So Gordon Allport, he is one of the psychologists, and he spoke about the attitude. He said that an attitude is a mental and neural state of readiness. That means it comes from our mind, and what it comes, what we have experienced, or what are the moods that we are having, or what are the feelings that we are having. So these moods or the feelings definitely affect upon the others, maybe a person or a situation, or it can be an institute. So our attitude definitely affects upon the persons or organizations, or maybe the environment also. So that's why our attitude has to be very positive, and it has to be accepted by the others. So and another quotation, we can see that one according to Ellen Munn. So he is also one of the psychologists, and he says that attitudes are learned predispositions towards acceptance of our environment. So he says that the attitude which we are showing or giving to the others, or maybe which comes from us, is should be accepted by the others. So that means that so they may be positive or negative, directed towards certain people, service, or the institutes. The same way he is also telling that our behavior will be affecting some people, or maybe the institute or organizations. So definitely whatever it comes from us, it has to be accepted by the others. Then only we can say it is a good behavior or good attitude. So we will see what are the different kinds of behaviors or attitudes. So we can say that the classification of behavior as per the psychology says that the behaviors are the three types. So they are cognitive behavior and emotional behavior, or that may be behavior, or another one is emotional. So cognitive, behavioral, and emotional. So these are the three types of attitudes which are defined as a psychologist. But we will see what are the different types of attitudes. We have four types of attitudes. It is classified into four types. So that is the positive attitude, negative attitude, and neutral attitude, and a second attitude. So these are the four different types of attitudes that we are going to see each one in a detail. So generally we know that the attitudes are divided into two types. So we say the good or bad. But here we have four types of attitudes: positive attitude, negative attitude, and neutral attitude, and a second attitude. So these are the four different types of attitudes that we generally see in us and even others. And how these four are classified and explained, each one detailed, we will see now.